Magandang hapon, Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat ng mga kasama natin sa Facebook at YouTube, maraming salamat. Sa lahat ng mga nakikinig po sa DZBB, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, welcome to the program. Kwentuhan po ang inyong matutunghayan ngayong hapon. One of the hottest matinee idols of the 90s ang ating bisita ngayong hapon. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome Matthew Mendoza. Matthew, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat din.
Please, welcome to the program.
Oh, nice
Kumusta?
to be here. I'm okay. How about you?
Okay. Talagang sinasabi ko parati, when somebody asks you today, kumusta ka? Nag-iisip na, okay naman.
Okay naman. Oo, okay naman.
Sometimes it's a decision. It's a choice to say, I am okay and I will be okay.
Okay.
Diba? Sa dami nang nangyayari sa mundo ngayon. Pero, dito natin umpisan. Can we have some of the photos? Can we have some of the photos of Matthew? Yan. Okay. No, but we have ito. Tingnan mo naman.
Ako ba yan?
Ikaw yun.
Ano nangyari?
Hindi, ha? Diyan pa rin, ha? Sabi nga ni Donnie, ang aking assistant, sabi niya, Sir, pwede ba ako lumipat ng trabaho kay Matthew? Sabi niya. What do you remember about this photo?
1994. I think that was for a commercial.
Ah, talaga? Ito yung toothpaste?
Before the toothpaste.
Before the
yes.
toothpaste.
When I was doing modeling, yeah.
Yeah, you good looking.
Thank you.
How was life then? Kumusta yung buhay nun?
Oh, ibang-iba. Kasi syempre, I was young. Alam mo, wala pang masyadong worries, wala pang family, wala pang iniisip. So, parang sarili mo lang. Kung anong gagawin mo today, tomorrow, ikaw lang eh.
Okay.
Kaya syempre ngayon, marami ng commitments, maraming responsibilities. Ibang-iba na.
Iba rin naman ang fulfillment, ika nga. But what were you thinking? Did you want to be an actor during that time?
Yeah, during the time, yes. When I was doing commercials, sabi ko, I think doon na papunta ito. Well, when I was doing commercials, I was also engaged in businesses. May business akong pinapatakbo. I was working with the family business. And sabi ko, nung nag-start ako mag-commercial, sabi ko, I think yun yung direction na pupuntahan ko.
Oo. And then, of course, napunta ka na sa pelikula. But there's another photo that we have. Tingnan nga natin. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Bakit ka ganyan?
I think that's the same day. I don't know, change costume, change
That was the same
yes,
pictorial
yes.
also for an endorsement.
Endorsement.
Oo. Alam mo, Matthew, na gwapo ka.
Hindi.
Hindi nga, totoo. Pero
May nagsabi.
hindi ka ba sinasabihan ng mga tao na nakapaligid sa'yo, ng mga magulang mo, hindi ka ba kinukurot nung bata ka?
Medyo.
Medyo.
Yeah.
Oo. And how was that? What was the biggest advantage of being good-looking?
Mahirap sabihin.
Mahirap sabihin.
Hindi naman. I think it's more sa madali ka makatawad. Hindi,
okay.
joke lang.
Madali ka magkaroon ng girlfriend.
Yes, that's one of the
okay.
advantages siguro pa.
Pero ikaw ba yung tipong todo ma-in love during that time?
Yeah, ako during the past,
When you fall,
I
you
only
fall.
had a few girlfriends. Parating long term. I mean, taon.
Oo.
Bihira yung months lang.
Walang maikling relasyon.
Walang
Pero
maikling
pupuntahan natin yan. At pupuntahan natin ang mga pelikulang ginawa, mga leading ladies na yung nakatrabaho. Katulad ng kaibigang Charlene Gonzalez,
Yes.
sila Hazel, sila Aramina, Ina Raimundo, Sharon Cuneta. But we'll go there much later. Pero ngayon, kasi Matthew, you are an active counselor of Puerto Princesa.
City,
Tama?
yes. I'm on my 4th term now.
Yeah, because 2013 to 2022, and then you took a break,
took a
and
break.
then ran in 2025.
And I won again.
Okay. Bakit hindi ka pumunta sa isang mas mataas na posisyon after 3 terms as counselor?
Sometimes walang door na open for that. Nung time namin kasi, sa Puerto Princesa, incumbent lahat nung pagbalik
Okay,
ko.
I understand that.
Walang open na door.
Oo.
I mean, position, sa higher position.
Pero bukas ang iyong isipan doon sa pagpunta sa vice o kaya mayor o kaya gobernador. After all, your lolo was, governor.
Yes. Yun naman talaga ambisyon ng lahat ng mga sa public service, of course, to aim for a higher position.
Okay.
Pero sometimes you just have, dapat tama yung timing. Para
okay.
sa akin, dapat there's a time for that. Tama dapat ang approach mo, tamang timing.
Okay.
Kung hindi, kung magkamali ka, iba eh.
Tama, but you can't also be too careful.
Yes, of
kasi
course.
sometimes you have to jump, into the unknown. Pero I know what you mean. Kasi I'm familiar with the politics in Palawan. Pero sa mga nangyayari ngayon, may impeachment trial ang Vice President ng bansa at itong flood control heist, na umaabot ng trilyon kung talagang susumahin ang lahat. On the ground, sa local government, bilang konsehal, nasaan ka?
Gaya ng sinabi mo na sa higher level yun, sa national level yung mga nangyayari ngayon sa flood control and...
Pero hindi kayo apektado?
we are not that much affected.
What about
Sa
rock
LGU.
netting controversies? What about DPWH controversies? Wala ang Palawan?
Wala ang Puerto Princesa City because kami sa LGU kami, no? We are not... iba yung... Hindi kami under sa national, which is yung DPWH kami. Sa local. Local lang kami.
So walang mga kontrobersiya na may kinalaman sa pagnanakaw sa Kabanang Bayan, hindi umabot sa Puerto Princesa?
Wala sa Puerto Princesa.
Hindi ko apektado. But as a public official, what is your general take on what is happening in the context of corruption?
Well, alam mo, napakahirap sagutin. Napakatagal na problema yan. Way before I started ng dyan na yan. So, I think, siguro, isa lang naman ang gusto ng lahat, to put a stop sa corruption. And I think, dapat doon na maging direction.
Pero kung wala mang flood control problems ang Palawan, may mga ibang problema. Wala ba kayong rock netting problems? Wala ba kayong illegal logging problems doon?
Palawan has a very strict environmental protection program.
Okay.
Napakadaming agencies na nagbabantay sa Palawan. So, illegal logging, illegal mining, medyo talagang halos, kung hindi wala, it's very small.
Oo. Okay. As a councilor also, actively serving Puerto Princesa, itong araw-araw na napapanood natin sa telebisyon na impeachment ng Vice President, what is your take as a government official?
Well, para sa akin, sana matapos na. Yun lang talaga. Kasi
Sana matapos na dahil?
I mean, it's time to, gawin na natin lahat ng kailangan gawin. No? The country needs
To move forward.
Tapusin na and then let's move on.
Pero kailangan, we have to hold the guilty accountable, kung sino man. Di ba? Kasi nakarating tayo doon sa impeachment na ito dahil hindi lamang para sa ating... Kasi we can't move forward if we're not able to address the core problems also of the country.
Yeah, dapat talaga. Yung root problem, magawa ng solusyon, malaman kung what really happened and how to fix it.
Oo. Meron ka bang partido? Meron ka bang kinikilingan? May kinakampihan ka ba dito?
We have our local party. Under ka ako sa mayor namin, which is, we have our own...
Your mayor is?
Mayor Byron.
Okay, and Mayor Byron is aligned with?
Right now, meron kaming sariling local na party.
Local. Pero pagdating sa mga national issues, kayo ba'y sumusunod sa posisyon ng inyong local party?
Yes. Yes, we do.
Hindi ba kalabisan kung pwede kong tanungin kung nasaan ang inyong pwesto pagdating sa mga issues na ito?
Sa ngayon, hindi ko ba sagot.
You'd rather not. Okay, I respect that. Ano ang pagkakaiba ng politika at saka ng showbiz?
Sa politika, you really have to work. You really have to, do your thing. Kung hindi, talagang magkaroon ka ng bad publicity, masisira ka. So, para sa akin, sa showbiz kasi, born sa good... Sorry, what was that again? Nawawala na ako eh.
Hindi, yung pagkakaiba ng politika at saka ng showbiz. Sa showbiz kasi, at saka ang accountability, iba. Kasi you know, your office is public office, it's public
Yes,
trust.
yes.
Lahat tayo pinagkakatiwalaan. Sabi mo nga, you have to be very careful, you have to be judicious, kasi isang mali ay makaka-apekto sa'yo bilang public official.
Yeah, that's true.
Oo. But you're happy where you are in politics?
Yeah, I'm happy in serving my city. I was born there. I've been a public servant for the past almost 14 years. Ngayon.
Okay. 3 araw na ang nagaganap sa impeachment. Huli na lamang. Napapanood mo rin?
Actually, hindi ko pa
Hindi mo
nasusubaybayan.
pa
I was
nasusubaybayan.
really busy this past few days.
Okay, all right. So I was gonna ask you sana kung anong reaction mo dahil lahat ng tao ay nakatutok doon sa impeachment trial. Pero punta tayo doon sa iyong mga panahon na napaka-aktibo mo sa showbiz. Let's remember those days by actually remembering your leading ladies. Can we have the photos, please? Wow.
Oh, Charlie.
What do you remember? Kaibigang Charlene, you know, I love her. She's a dear friend of mine. Ano ang naaalala mo kay Charlene at saan kayo nagkatrabaho?
Charlene, we did 3 movies together. Jezebel, Bridesmaid, and Ikaw Naman Ang Iiyak.
Kumusta yun?
Jezebel was really fun. Yun ang element ko. I really love the ocean. Mahilig ako sa mga boats and sa dagat. Doon ako lumaki. So when we did Jezebel, parang sabi ko, at home ako dito. Yeah.
Okay. So, komportable ka.
Comfortable.
Tinitilian ka ng mga fans. Naaalala ko yun. I know the last time we saw each other was like, what, late 90s?
1990s.
Okay.
Wow. Ganun
medyo
nakatagal yun.
matagal na. Tinitilian ka ng mga fans. May naaalala ka bang crazy moment with a fan?
Yeah, kinurot ako.
Saan?
Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin kung saan, pero kinurot ako.
Napaaray ka ba?
Napaaray ako.
As in, masakit talaga na kurot?
Di ba? Ha? Medyo kumapit sa balat. Ayun.
Masakit.
Masakit. Oh.
Masakit,
Yes,
oo. Pero umaray ka, pero hindi ka nagalit doon sa... Nanggigil eh.
Nanggigil, yes.
Oo. Did you get indecent proposals during that time?
May mga wala pang text nun. So,
Wala
may
pa.
mga calls na, I don't know, how do they get our number, yung mga home number.
At ang sinasabi doon sa tawag ay...
alam mo na.
Okay. Talagang diretsa.
Diretso yan. Ganyan. Pero hindi naman napapakilala. Usually, after a few words, they hang up. Ganyan.
Okay. Kasi hinahangaan ka, hinahabol ka rin ng mga babae, ng mga gays, ng mga... lahat. You were just so gorgeous. Are you comfortable?
Parang ang tagal na, hindi ko na naalala.
Hindi mo na naalala? Oo. I know your wife may be eavesdropping on this conversation. Patawad
It's
po,
okay.
napapag-usapan lamang.
Oh, it's okay.
Is she the jealous type? Hindi naman.
Hindi,
Angie
hindi
is the
jealous
name,
type,
right?
yeah.
Okay. So, noong mga panahon na yun, naligawan ka ba ng bakla?
Wala naman. Pero syempre, parati naman may nagpaparinig yung mga ganun dyan.
Oo.
Common naman yun during our time. Up to now siguro. Mga ganun.
Oo nga eh. Si Donnie nga gusto nang lumipat sa iyo. Hindi paano na. Let's go to the next one. Wow.
Yeah, Don.
The beautiful Dawn Zolweta. What do you remember?
Cebu. Kasi the whole movie, almost big
Anong
part of
movie
it,
ito?
Ikaw Naman Ang Iiyak. So, we spent like almost half a month or almost a month in Cebu. Kasi lahat ng mga locations namin was based in Cebu.
Anong naalala mo kay Dawn?
She was always on time. Medyo ano talaga siya, strict. Pag sinabing take, walang take 2, walang take. And pag binigyan siya, pag sinabing action, alam niya na yung gagawin niya kaagad. Parang very professional.
At napakahusay.
Yes, napakahusay.
So this very day, I still manage Dawn Zolweta. Ikukumusta kita.
Kung maalala niya pa, that was 1996.
Yes, it was directed by...
Joel Amangan.
That's right. Bisita natin si Joel nung isang araw dito.
Hindi ko makakalimutan yan. Talagang napakagaling ni Joel.
Ni Joel. Hindi ka naman nasigawan ni Joel.
Sino bang hindi nasigawan ni Joel? Sino ba?
parang hindi ka yata nakatrabaho pag hindi ka nasigaw. Hindi ka napansin. No, but one of the most brilliant directors. Let's go to the next photo. Miss Sharon Cuneta.
Like I said earlier, hindi ko makakalimutan yung Jezebel, yung element ko, yung dagat and everything. Pero to work with Sharon Cuneta, Tita Shawi, 80s Shawi, 90s Shawi, and then isang araw katrabaho mo siya, parang hindi mo alam, yung feeling na hindi mo alam anong gagawin mo, baka pumalpak ako and everything. Ganun. So, it was something na hindi mo makakalimutan.
Surreal. Oo. Di ba? May niligawan ka? May tumawid sa pagiging professional na relasyon into a romantic relationship?
Wala naman.
Wala.
safe tayo. And then nanonood.
Angie Patawad, pero
Joke.
nakailang girlfriend ka sa showbiz?
Wala naman. Wala naman, pero marami ako naging close. Naging close kami ni Ina because we came
You
from the
also
same
did a movie,
manager.
Ina Raimundo,
Si
oo.
Hazel, si Ara, naging close kami. We did movies and TV together. Ganun. Si Tonji, naging close kami.
Uh-huh.
We did a couple of telemovies before.
Okay. Pero walang naging girlfriend?
Wala. I was,
I like that. Talagang sagot ngayon, wala naman.
wala naman.
Matthew,
Kailangan maging safe.
That's good. Okay, let's do fast talk, Matthew.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Matthew, leading man o family man?
Family man.
Gwapo noon, mas gwapo ngayon.
Same.
Makuha sa tingin o matunaw sa ngiti?
Makuha casting.
Matinik, matino.
Matinik na matino.
Politician, public servant.
Both.
Palawan, Manila.
Both.
Boss ni Mrs., under kay Mrs.
Boss na lang.
I feel young when?
I'm at home.
I feel old when?
I'm not at home
I feel responsible when?
with my family.
I feel powerless when?
Without my family.
Your favorite leading lady?
That would be Charlene.
Your favorite movie project?
Jezebel.
Sikreto mo bilang gwapo?
Oh. Exercise lang yan.
Yes or no? Naging matinik noon?
Yes.
Yes or no? Nakipag-away dahil sa babae noon?
Medyo?
Yes or no? Nakatanggap ng indecent proposal?
Yes. of
Yes or
course.
no? Nanligaw sa co-star?
No.
Yes or no? Nabasted ng artista?
No.
Describe yourself as a husband,
Kind.
as a father.
Very kind.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
At night.
Complete this. Ako, si Matthew Mendoza, and I'm always...
Maasahan.
Matthew, what will make you come back to doing movies, to show business? Alam ko, you can once in a while. You did a movie with Don Bell a couple of years ago. But what will make you really come back to show business? That's number one. Number two, kumusta ka bilang ama? Ang mga kasagutan sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Aguilar. We're back in the show. Kasama po natin Matthew Mendoza. So aside from Ina, sino pang yung naging leading lady? Ina, Raimundo, and then you had Hazel, Aramina.
Aramina. Ma'am Shawi. Don Solueta.
Okay.
Si
Mikey
Charlene.
Coangco.
Mikey, yes, of course,
Right.
Mikey. Yeah. Sa TV shows na ginawa ko, pinakamarami was with Mikey.
With Mikey.
Yes.
What do you miss the
I
most?
accepted an award from her.
For-
Most
oh.
guested actor talagang. Yeah,
Okay.
for.
I
Up to
didn't-
now, I still keep that trophy. It's a horse.
Ganda naman. Oh. What do you miss the most about show business?
Yung tapings, sometimes it could be fun, sometimes nakakapagod, nakakapuyat, pero it's something na, like, lately, sabi ko, hindi na ako sanay dahil matagal na ako hindi nagtitaping, sabi ko. Pero not everybody is given the chance to do this. Kaya sabi ko, kahit nakakapuyat, diba, parang, para sa akin, na-fulfill ako. Dahil after mo magagawa, mapapanood mo, parang, ay, I did something.
That's fulfilling. Oh. What will make you come back? What will make you come back as an actor and leave politics?
Actually, I never left. Naglaylo lang talaga ako.
Laylo lang.
Laylo lang ako. Maybe someday, after, siyempre, right now, involved ako in politics, ayoko rin na masira ako. Because when I committed myself to public service, sabi ko, sabi ko, nag-uusap kami earlier, sabi ko, I don't mind doing movies or taping, pero I really have to set a date for it. Like, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Kasi Monday to Wednesdays, I'm really busy.
Pwede ka sa mga ilang araw, pero may araw talaga na ginugugol mo ika nga para sa Puerto Princesa.
Yung mga responsibilities ko nun. Like every Monday, we have our session. Tuesday, Wednesday, sometimes up to Thursday, yung mga committee meetings namin, which I often attend.
Pero malaking tulong, no, na kilala ka din ng tao. Because palagi ko hanggang ngayon ay sinasabi pa rin, artista ka eh.
Oh, yeah.
Di ba?
Actually, malaking advantage para sa akin. And of course, my family is from there. My dad was also a mayor before.
Correct.
Time ni President Cory Aquino. My grandpa was a governor. My great-grandfather was a governor general. So, fourth generation ako.
Oo.
And my uncles was in public service also.
Pero, ikaw ang unang nag-artista?
Yeah, but my dad during the 60s or 50s,
Lumabas
he tried, with Mr. Dolphy. For may mga pictures sila magkakasama. Pero he was studying to be a pilot back then.
So hindi tumuloy-tuloy.
He became a pilot, an airline pilot.
Tatlo mong anak, saan sila papunta? May mga hilig. I know your eldest, si
Bea.
Bea, was part of the movie produced by sila Sylvia Sanchez.
Yes, I'm Perfect.
I'm
Yan,
Perfect.
nanalo sila last December ng
Right.
MFF. There, my girlfriend
Oo.
Bea.
At saka may istorya to di ba? Pre-COVID, she was invited to do this film. Anong kwento?
They did the pilot episode for that. And then Direk Cathy was looking for a producer to produce the film. But of course, dumating yung pandemic, nawala lahat. And then si Bea got much older. And then suddenly, may nakuha silang producer for the movie. And then this is it,
And you're very proud of the girl.
of course.
She's a world ambassador for
Special Olympics.
Special Olympics. Oo.
She was sent to Austria in 2017. We attended it. And we were so proud, siyempre.
Matthew, ano ang pinaka-importanteng mensahe mo, lalo na sa mga magulang na merong mga anak na may Down syndrome?
Ako, I'll just share my experience. No? Kami, my wife and I, ever since nang lumabas si Bea, hindi namin siya tinabi. Sinama namin siya sa regular, sa mainstream. Para, kasi kung tinatago mo, they won't grow. Okay? Tanggap na natin na special sila. But kung bibigyan mo silang proper attention, proper therapies, and proper everything, makakahabol din sila. Bea's working sa school niya as an assistant teacher.
Fantastic.
So, from Monday to Friday, nagre-report talaga yun siya.
Ang ganda. And I can imagine na yung dalawa niyang kapatid, si
Kyla and Luke. may
Kyla
son
and Luke, na nandito, na napakagwapo rin. Ganon din ang trato sa kanya, di ba? I think that's the best.
Yeah. Hindi siya, sa bahay, hindi siya tinatratong special. So, kailangan niyang humabol.
Tama. Tama. Matthew, maraming salamat. Sana ay mahaba pang ating oras. Welcome back. Kahit panandalian dito sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Looking
Thank you.
forward to your success in both politics and show business.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Salamat.
Naitay, Kapuso, maraming salamat po sa inyong panahon at kita-kita po tayo bukas at piliin ang gumawa ho ng tama. Bihuan tama. Goodbye for now. God bless. Marco Ballesteros, Ballesteros.